This is the sample data that I have entered: serial number, date, venue and date of matches. So to perform sort function, we have to go to data tab, and under data tab we have the sort function. First let us perform a sample single level sort. For this data I'll perform a single level sort. This has a header, like this first row will be my header. By default this checkbox is checked here. My data is headers. And sort by, this has values of my header. I'll be selecting serial number. I want to sort it by cell values, and I want to order it from smallest to largest. Okay, so before sorting you can see that 9th and 10th row are interchanged, they are not in order. After sorting we'll see how it gets displayed. It's done. Now you can see 9 and 10 are in order. Sorting is done. This is a sample single level sorting. Next we'll see multi-level sorting, how it works. For multi-level sorting, the same way, we're going here. Now let me select venue here. The same A to Z order I will be sorting it, and under venue I'll add one more level, so that after getting sorted by venue, say here Abu Dhabi, first Abu Dhabi matches will be sorted in a order, then Dubai will get displayed, and after that Sharjah matches will get displayed. After it gets sorted by the venue order, then under venue it will get sorted by the day. Like Abu Dhabi matches will be sorted by day, then Dubai matches will be sorted by day, then Sharjah matches. We'll see how it works. Say I'll be selecting here day by cell values A to Z. The same manner I'm giving here also. Okay, now we can see. You can see the result now, how it has got displayed. First it has got sorted by venue manner, like Abu Dhabi, Dubai and Sharjah. Under venue Abu Dhabi matches Saturday and Wednesday. Similarly for Dubai and Sharjah it has got displayed like that, F, M, S and T. So it is sorted in alphabetical order from smallest to largest. Similarly Sharjah, alphabetical order from smallest to largest, S and then T. So this is how the multi-level sorting works. There are cases where we want to perform a custom sort. Say for example here in day, actually mostly we will not be performing the sorting by alphabetical order. We don't want to get displayed like this. Mostly we will want it by day order. Our default day order is Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. In that order we may want to get it displayed. In that case we have to add the custom sort level. We'll see how to add that and how to get our data sorted in that manner. Okay, the same sort function. Here instead of A to Z I'll be giving custom list. Here in custom list we have this already, like Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. So we can select it and give OK. If there is nothing displayed here and you want to create a new list, you can create a new list and you can add it. As I have this already, I'm selecting this and I'm giving OK. Now you can see here how it has got displayed. Under Abu Dhabi, the day matches, instead of alphabetical order it is now in day order, like Wednesday and then Saturday, then Sunday, Monday, Thursday and Friday for Dubai. For Sharjah it is Sunday and Tuesday. So this is the sample custom sorting, how we'll create the custom sort list and how we'll perform the sorting function. Next we'll see the subtotals. Subtotals say in this data we want to find the number of matches that's been held in Abu Dhabi separately, Dubai separately, and Sharjah separately. In that case, how we will do? So for this, let's select this data, and under the data tab we have something called as subtotal. Here I'll be giving at each change in venue, because I want to group venue together. I want to know the number of matches that's been held in Abu Dhabi, Dubai and Sharjah. So I'll be giving venue here, and I want to count the number of matches only, so I'm using count function only. So I want to get displayed it under venue itself, so I'm giving venue here, and these are default summary below data. If you give the summary below data, it will say the total number of matches. So I'll have these checkboxes checked and I'm giving OK here. Now you can see the subtotal values here. Abu Dhabi 3 matches, Dubai 5 matches, Sharjah 2 matches, and total number of matches grand count is 10 matches. So this is how the subtotal function works. That's it.